Enterprise 3D printing. 3D printer can create a piece of tangible objects. 3D in width, depth, height. Unlike traditional 2D printer. FDM or fused deposition modeling or office computer system. Called the FFFs, 3D printers are most commonly used today. Principle is melting the plastic into liquid and inject it into the line through the nozzle. System SLA, stereolithography, and DLP, digital light processing, as the origin of the optical system. SLA sources are laser lined, so that the laser beam to the resin by drawing laser indefinitely. To print a job, it takes a little more than a small piece of the DLP projector that uses DLP project projecting the image that will span all layers. This work points to a different DLP takes to print less. Do not depend on the type of specimen, since you do not have to drag the line. Powder 3D printer has used gypsum powder, plastic, the medium of the workpiece. The system will work similarly, but instead of inkjet print on paper, the machine will print on powdered gypsum. Selective laser centering or SLS system is a system that works like SLA system. That will make the difference is that instead of curing the resin by projecting laser SLS will go directly on the powder material. The heat from the laser that makes the powder material is melted flesh. The advancement of 3D printing technology has progressed to the development of materials for the printed varied dramatically. Whether it is a raw material used for making prints from advanced nickel alloy, carbon fiber, glass, conductive ink, electrical equipment, pharmaceuticals or biological material. These developments, which would make it possible to create new needs, rise continuously and fill the needs of new industries. Industrial, aerospace, pharmaceutical, automotive and transportation, energy, and military, and the growth of 3D printer for organizations that grow up to 64.1% per year until the year 2019 and will continue as the business grows. Continue for another 20 years from today. Thank you. Presented by Miss Nantawan Kamnukul, Rajamangala University of Technology Tawan-Ok, Chakrabongse Bhuvanarth Campus. Faculty of Business and Information Technology. Bachelor of Information Technology.